Good afternoon, and in this video ay tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano kumita ng $900, right? In affiliate marketing or digital marketing. So mga hindi pa nakakilala sa akin, since I decided today that I will create YouTube videos about digital marketing, affiliate marketing, or any make money online, right? Because yan naman talaga ang ginagawa ko. And now I decided na magturo ako dahil ito ay napaka-trending na business right now, right? So kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, all you need to do is just subscribe, okay? Just subscribe, and may mga ginawa na akong videos dyan, pero mostly English yan. So Tagalog, kasi nakita ko na napakaraming Pilipino ang nangangailangan ng tulong sa panahon ngayon kasi maraming nawawalan ng trabaho. So, laking tulong nito, especially sa akin. Diba? So, yan. So, sa mga hindi pa nakakilala sa akin, isa akong OFW dati for 14 years. And my last ibang bansa, dati ako nagbarko, dati ako nag-land-based, Saudi, then nagbarko ako, napunta ako ng offshore. And tumigil ako last 2020 bago mag-pandemic, din 2023 pumunta ako na New Zealand, naka 9 months lang ako and go home dahil I discovered digital marketing, and in just 2 months, right? So ako ay nakapag-quit ng aking job, and in just 3 months from January to February, March last year, I earned almost 1 million pesos, right? Doing digital marketing or promoting other person's program without creating myself. So yan, kung makikita ninyo dito, $900, di ba? $900. And sorry, bubuksan ko lang yung aircon kasi mainit. Yan, as you can see, $900 this morning using my Facebook. Okay? Using my Facebook. And so, ano yung pala yung pinopromote ko? Ang pinopromote ko is Legacy Builder Program. So, ano ang kailangan na meron ka upang magkaroon ka ng business na ganito? Okay? Ipapakita ko dito kung ano yung pinopromote ko, paano ko siya ginagawa, at ano yung mga kailangan mo. Okay? So, just stay in on this video. Yan, ito, $900. Ito yung group namin, Digital Growth Community, and we have 49,000 people. And maganda dito, hindi lang to para sa Pilipinas. All over the world. Okay? I'm international marketer. Kaya kung gusto mong matuto, maging international marketer ka, all you need to do is just subscribe and share my videos. Ayan. So, unang mong kailangan ay dapat, once you join the program, magkakaroon ka ng katulad nito. Ang tawag dito ay capture page. Sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, ang reason kung bakit may capture page ka, okay? Ang reason kung bakit may capture page is to get the image. So, ano yung email? Kasi ito, business na to is automated. We have email automation. So, ang kailangan ibibigay mo sa kliyente mo, or ang ibibigay mo sa once na nagtanong, may nagtanong sa iyo about the business, ibibigay mo to. Ayan. Itong link na to, magkakaroon ka ng ganitong link, magkakaroon ka ng, hindi naman exactly katulad dito kasi binago ko na to, pero magkakaroon ka ng capture page. Okay? Yan. And once they put their email, hindi nila makikita yan kung ano yung pinopromote mo unless naglagay sila ng email. Magkakaroon sila ng, sorry, hindi yan, back office na tawag yan. Magkakaroon sila ng thank you page. And dito sa thank you page na to, ipapakita ngayon dito, nung aming mentor, ito yung mentor namin, si Michelle, sasabihin niya yan kung ano ba yung business is all about. So kasi automation na siya, ibibigay mo yung capture page, then pupunta dito, ito yung mag-i-explain kung ano yung business. Diba? Ito community ko. Ayan yung mga result ng mga tao, like 11,000 in 28 days, 11,800, right? So, ayan, 11,500, April, 20K, okay? 25,000, 11,000. Like parang, it's really impossible, but it's possible and it's true. Okay? So, ayan, mga testimonial. Yan, may kita ninyo yan. Okay? Yan yung picture ko. O yan, Alan Mantaring. And once you click this one, mapupunta ka sa sales page. Okay? Sales page. And sasabihin doon kung ano yung business is all about. And pupunta ka sa ganito. Ang tawag dito ay sales page or offer page. Ayan, dito ini-explain kung ano yung business. The proven system to go from 0 to 6 figures while building your list and turn list into multiple income streams. Okay? So, never seen before. Learn the daily pay blueprint, 100% profit, daily pay, and path to recurring income. Okay? It's really great or great. So, once you click this one, eto, lalabas yung kung magkano yung price. So, later on, malalaman nyo yan. Follow the simple step-by-step system. Start making 100 profit. Yes, 100% profit. And para malaman nyo yun, just stick to this one. And sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe, just subscribe. So, step 1, get started purchase of one of the digital product. Of course, this is business. So, meron tayong puhunan dito. Number 2, start growing daily pay business. Okay. We will show exactly where and how to post ads and high traffic website for free. Gusto mo ba yan? And get paid, start earning. So, ito ako, ito yung pamilya ko. Imagine if you could make full-time income online, 2 hours work day, work from anywhere in the world from your phone. Have more freedom in time, work less and have more. Travel the world making passive income. Gusto mo mag-travel pero kumikita? Change many people's life. Okay? My name is Alan Mantaring. I'm a chef and digital marketer. 2 months ago, I was working 10 to 12 hours a day in New Zealand, 1,000 miles away from Philippines. Despite almost 12 hours, I was living paycheck to paycheck and there was time, had no money. Walang titira sa akin. Kasi ang laki ng binabayaran na tax, ang laki ng binabayaran na bahay, pagkain pa. So, yun. And isa sa pinakamabigat na naramdaman ko yung asawa ko tumawag way back October 2023. Kasi yung aking bunso ay may sakit. So, wala talaga akong kapera-pera at nanghiram pa ako ng $40 sa aking mga kapatid. Diba? $40 is about 2,000 pesos. That's the lowest point of my life. And ang hirap, di ba? Then last November, na-discovered ko itong Daily Pay Blueprint na nakatulong sa akin kung paano kumita ng $7,000 to $10,000 a month by just working 2 hours. Can you imagine? 7,000 to 10,000. So, magkano yan? Ipakita natin. 7,000. Sorry. 7,000. Times, labihin natin 56. It's almost 392,000. Yan, kikitain mo, di ba? Possible na kitain. Di ko sinabing kikitain mo, possible mong kitain. And yan yung kinita ko. And last November, right, I quit my job. And in just 8 months, I made 53,000. So, now, in 1 year, I earned 75,000. 75 na dapat to. Ang vision ko ngayon is to help 500 people to earn passive income online. And now, gusto kong turuan ang kapwa ko Pilipino, since tinagalog ko na to para ito sa kapwa ko Pilipino. If you are marketer or gusto mo kumita online, work from home, ma'am, di ba? Sabihin na natin isa kang OFW, then this is for you. My friend, kabayan, di ba? And kung ikaw naman ay nagtatrabaho at kulang ang kita mo and you have 2 hours a day, then this is for you also. And if you are networker na ayaw mo na mag-networking din, this is for you. As you can see this one, October 2, 53,000, right? So, ito, how this work, introducing digital growth community, okay? So, if you are open your world, if you are tired and struggling and feeling stuck and frustrated, you want to make extra income from home, tired of your job, wanting to get out of debt, kung bang ka sa utang din, para sa'yo to. You want to work anywhere from home, para sa'yo to. Ayan, nung nagkatrabaho ako sa New Zealand, di ba? Pa-close na yan. Actually, pa-close na yan. Para sa akin yung picture na yan. I have proven blueprint that here, being debt-free, replace full-time, right? Ito na ako yan. Kasama ko na pamilya ko, di ba? Nagliliwaliw. Can you imagine this one? 300,000 in 9.5 months? Yes. 110,000 in 4 months. 100,000 earned in 9 months. Okay, 17,000, right? So, ayan, hindi ko na masyadong aanoin pa to. Makikita ninyo yan dyan, di ba? So, ito ay makikita ninyo yung link sa baba. Ang gawin nyo lang ay i-click nyo yung link sa baba. Okay? Andyan yung program na yan. Makikita ninyo dyan. At panoorin niyo yung video kung interested kayo. Diba? Diyan nyo rin makikita yung price. So, saan ko pinopromote yan? Actually, ang main source kung saan ko pinopromote yan ay sa Facebook. Diba? May TikTok din ako pero hindi siya ganun kaano. So, dito ko yan pinopromote or pinopost sa Facebook ko. As you can see. This is my Facebook, right? So, maraming gumagaya, maraming tumutulad, and make sure this is mine, 6.3, right? So, ayan, I teach people simple and effective steps to growing successful business online. Ito, yung sa akin, December 5, almost 71,711 months. Okay, yan, $900. Ito yung Facebook ko. Ayan, ang mga pinopost ko lang, welcoming new member. Ayan. Ito, nag-join sa akin. Ito yung 900 kahapon, di ba? Yan, 900 yan, nag-join. Ito yun, 900. So, pinadala niya sa akin sa video. Yan lang yung mga pinopost ko who wants to have VIP access on my Facebook group. Good morning, happy Sunday, may God bless you. Okay, yan lang yung post ko. And ito, family. Ayan. Diba? Kumakain lang kami sa ilog. Very simple. And, yan. I reveal exactly how I get more sales. Once access, another blessing came in. Okay? So, ayan. 900. Okay? So, February 6. And I found a way to earn $900 per day. Right? Simple works. Money favor who chooses yan. Mga simpleng post lang ang ginagawa ko, di ba? Nothing hard, nothing, hindi rin siya easy kasi kung may trabaho ka, yan, at least magpo-post ka once a day. Okay? $900 income. Can you imagine? $900. So, ang $900 is, nakita ko sa inyo, kung $900 times 56, 50,000 this time, di ba? Kahapon, ang palitan ng $900, Google ang ginagamit ko is 52,000. Pinadala sa akin sa video. Okay? So, using my social media. So, parang, it's too good to be true. It's true. Kasi international. Kumbaga, international ang audience ko. Marami ring Pinoy. Actually, nag-join sa akin is Pinay. Isa siyang teacher sa Thailand. Di ba? So, kung gusto mong mga matutunan yan, ang gawin mo lang, i-click mo yung link sa baba. O pumunta ka sa www.dailypaywithalan.com. Then, ilagay mo yung email mo dyan. After mong pagkalakay, ang next na gagawin mo ay panoorin mo yung video, right? Panoorin mo yung video. I-explain doon what is the business is all about. 10 minutes. Okay? And then, after that, mong mapanood, i-click mo yung button. Doon mo makikita kung ano yung business. And, yun, nakalagay doon. Nandun din yung price, kung how much yung pag-join. Okay? Ang maganda dito, 100% profit siya kasi magkakaroon ka ng resale rights. So, once again, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, all you need to do is just subscribe below. See you and bye-bye. See you on my next video. Do not forget to subscribe again. This is Alan Mantaring, 6-figure chef. Right? I'm a chef before. See you again. See you and bye-bye. Let's go!